Hello students, I Neelu Agarwal, your maths teacher, welcomes you to the maths class. In the previous video, we have already learned the place value of the two-digit number, then expanded form. We have learned numbers up to 200, spike abacus. Today we are going to learn the place value of the digit of a three-digit number. Okay. And we will learn the comparing numbers, ordering of numbers, even and odd numbers, ordinal numbers. This we will learn in this chapter. So let's start with the place value of the digit of a three-digit number. Here 5 is a one-digit number. We all know that 5 is a one-digit number. 15 is a two-digit number. 115 is a three-digit number. 115 is a three-digit number. Now let us consider the number 126. It is a three-digit number. 126 equals to 100 plus 2 tens and 6 ones. As 6 is in ones place, so we will write 6 ones. The place value will be 6 ones or 6. Here 2 tens. Why? Because there is one digit number, so we will put 1 0 over there. So it is 2 tens. Now 100, 2 digit is there, so 2 0, 100. In 126, 6 is at ones place, so its place value is 6 ones or 6. 2 is at tens place, so its place value is 2 tens or 20. 1 is at hundreds place, so its place value is 100 or 100. This is the place value chart for the three-digit number. See, here is a number is 174. 4, where we will put 4? 4 is at ones place. 7, tens place. Why? Because as we all know, this is 100 plus 70 plus 4. No digit before 4, so it will be in tens place. One digit is there before 7. 1 0 we will put 70. It is tens. We will place it in tens place. Now 2 zeros before 1. Why? Because there is two digit number. So this is hundreds. Okay. Like this, and we will put 1 in hundreds place. Now we will solve the sums. Here you can see 1. How you will put 1? 1 you will put at 1 is at ones place. See, 1, 10, 100. Okay. 1. You will write 1. Then for 8, 0. Why? Because one digit is there, so 1 0, as it is in tens place. Now for 100, 2 zeros. 2 digit is there, so 1 0 0. Like this you have to solve the sums. Here, can you write the biggest two-digit number? The biggest two-digit number is 99. Can you write the smallest three-digit number? What is the smallest three-digit number? The smallest 3-digit number is 100. Now let's start exercise 1E. Fill in the blanks. In 124, 4 is at? In 124, 4 is at ONES, ones place. Okay. Now in 182, 1 is at hundreds place, HUNDREDS. For place value we write hundreds, but as a number we will write 100. Like this you have to solve the problem. Now in 198, 9 is at? See, 9 is in the middle, 1 digit is there, so tens place. In this way you have to solve the problem. Write the place value of each digit in the box. I have already shown you. I'm showing you one example. You can see from here 152, 2 as it is in ones place, then 50, then 100, 100. Now write the number. In number 2 we have written the place value of each digit in the box. Now we have to write the number in the box. 100, for 100 what you will write? 1, for 404, and for 2 only 2. The single digit number we will put like this. You have to solve the rest of the sums. Now moving on to the next page. Turn to page number 18. Comparing number. Rule 1. The number with more number of digit is greater of the 2. The number with having the more number of digits is greater of the 2. For example, 175 is greater than 83. As 83 is a 2-digit number and 175 is 3-digit number. So obviously 175 is greater than 83. The same thing, 140 is greater than 27. 140 is greater than 27. 27 is the 2-digit number and 140 is the 3-digit number. So 140 is greater than 27. Now here is 100 and here is 95. 95 is smaller than 100. Rule 2. If the number of digits of the two numbers are the same, start comparing the hundredths digit. If they are same, compare the tens digit. If they are also same, compare the ones digit. See here, we'll come to know. Compare 124 and 156. In 124, in 156, 1 and 1 are same. Now the tens digit is different. 2 is less than 5. So 124 is smaller than 156 or 156 is greater than 124. Now similarly again the same thing is given over here. I'm showing you so that you can understand it easily. First we will discuss comparing numbers for the 2-digit number. In 2-digit number, if let us take any number like 24 and 52. Okay, these two numbers are there. Now these two numbers are here. So start comparing the numbers like 2 and 4 is there and 5 and 2. 24, 52. See the tens digit, left side digit, okay? Don't see the ones digit. Only see the tens digit. 2 is smaller than 5, so 24 is smaller than 52. We are going to learn the 3-digit number for the 3-digit. Now compare the 3-digit number. See here, 1 and 1. The hundreds are same. The value are same. Now 2 and 4 is different as 2 is less than 4. Okay. 2 is less than 4. So 145 is greater. Here you can see 145 is greater than 127. Here this 2 digit are same. Both the digit are same. 1 as well as 7. These two, the both same. The both are same. Okay. So we will compare with the ones digit. 4 is less than 6. 4 is less than 6. So 176 is greater than 174, or 174 is less than 176. Now let's solve the exercise. Exercise 1F. Ring the greater number. Here 50 and 107. As you already know that this is a 3-digit number and this is a 2-digit number. So 3-digit number is always greater than the 2-digit number. Now again 159 is there and 195. So 1 and 1 are same. From here you can see I am solving the problem for you. 159 and 195, as 1 are same. The 100 digits are same. Now compare with the tens digit. 5 is less than 9. Okay. 5 is less than 9. So 195 is greater than 159. So circle 195. Ring the greater number. Now ring the smaller number. Here 146 and 59. 2-digit number is 59, lesser than 3-digit number. So smaller. Now again 134 is there and 130. So you can see that 1 and 1 same, 3 are same, 4 and 0. 0 is obviously less than 4. So smaller number is 130. Like this you have to solve the rest of the sums of 1 and 2. Now number 3, ring the smallest number and cross the greatest number. You have to find out which one is the smallest number and which is the greatest number among all these 5 numbers. 93 and 38, you can see here, is the smallest number, then 139, 194 and 189. As you already know that 2-digit number is always smaller than the 3-digit number. Now let us compare with the number 93 and 38. Here I have already taught you that see the tens digit. Don't see the ones digit. Ignore the ones digit. See here 3 and 9. Which is smaller among these two? 3 is smaller than 9. So ring number 38, as 38 is smallest number among all the numbers. Now compare 139, 194 and 189. 139 and 194, in 139 and 194, 1 is same. The 100 place is same. The 100 digit is same. Now we will compare with 3 and 9. 3 is less than 9. So this is smallest. This is smaller than 194. Lesser than 194. Now compare 194 with 189. Again 1 and 1 are same. But here 9 is greater than 8. So 194 is greatest number among all the numbers. Complete number 3 also. So your homework is exercise 1F, 1E and 1F till number 3. That's all for today. In the next class, we will discuss about the ordering of numbers, even and odd numbers, ordinal numbers. This we will discuss in the next class. That's all for today. I hope you liked today's class. Thank you. Have a nice day.